Okay, just changed the 2 batteries out of my key fob and realized I haven't probably made a video on this type of key, Mercedes key, changing Chrysler key too, depending on what your Chrysler you've got, back when Benz and Chrysler were together, but changing the batteries in them. See the little slide tab there? Now you can use a Q-tip or your finger if you have fingernails. Or I'm using a tiny little screwdriver. We're going to need this in a second. I'll show you why. So you basically just slide it up. Slide the little clip back. Pull the key out. Take the key. Look inside. You see the little gray spring clip. Push that in. And then push up. See the little separate part there? So push in and pull this up. Might be able to grab this. There we go. Sorry, my fingers are dirty. I've just been painting. Slide it out, and you'll see the 2 batteries. And this is what you're going to need the little screwdriver or toothpick for. See there on the side, that little tab? And there's like a little metal spring tab there. You have to push in on the little metal spring tab and then push the whole clip up. So push in while pushing up. Come on, you. Go in. There we go. Okay. Now pop the 2 batteries out. Remember which way is up, which way is down. The writing should be toward you. And what other indication can we use? Well, the top of the spring clip where it goes up and down. That's the way the writing should go. So these are the good batteries that I just put into it. So I'm going to put them back in. Put 1 battery in. Don't bother with the second yet because it'll just make this part more difficult. You have to push the little tab back into its slot. Once it's guided in, don't push and clip it all the way yet. Take the second battery, then slide it under, and then push down until the little spring clip pops through. A little retainer, there we go. And that popped through so you can see that. And that is it. If you have an electrical tester, I've got one sitting here because I tested the old batteries. Set it to DC volts. DC as in direct current. Let's set that there so you can see it. And we'll test one of the old batteries. They should be 3 volts. You can push positive or negative on either side. You just want to look at the number. 2.68, 2.67, 6.6, it's draining down, just being touched there. So bad. They need to be 3 volts each or more. Usually they're about 3.3 when they're brand new. So then just take the key. So dippy edge to dippy edge. See the little cutout here, cutout there. That's where they go back together. They match up. Gently slide it back in. Take your key part, shove it in, clip, and we're done. Thanks for watching.